Choosing between the Handbook and the Fire Alarm Signaling Systems Guide involves understanding their strengths and weaknesses. The Handbook serves as a comprehensive reference, covering all facets of fire alarm systems. It offers detailed explanations, technical insights, and case studies. Furthermore, the Handbook undergoes annual updates to incorporate the most recent code revisions. However, its comprehensive nature can be daunting for newcomers due to the extensive level of detail. It might lack practical guidance for on-site tasks. Conversely, the Fire Alarm Signaling Systems Guide is a practical tool emphasizing the installation, inspection, and upkeep of fire alarm systems. It presents clear, step-by-step instructions along with troubleshooting advice. It incorporates real-world examples and case studies. It may not encompass all code aspects as comprehensively as the Handbook. It may also be less detailed for intricate or specialized systems. It's recommended that if someone possesses limited field experience, the Fire Alarm Signaling Systems Guide is a better addition to the code. It delivers hands-on guidance and simplifies challenging code concepts. Upon gaining a solid grasp of practical elements, you may consider acquiring the Handbook for deeper insights into particular subjects or to remain current with the latest code modifications. Aside from the Handbook and Fire Alarm Signaling Systems Guide, supplementary resources can prove beneficial. Firstly, there's the NFPA 72 Training Manual. This manual offers a structured method for comprehending the NFPA 72 code. Secondly, online webinars and seminars are available. These are presented by entities like the NFPA and Fire Alarm Services. Thirdly, consulting with a skilled fire alarm expert can be invaluable. They can offer tailored advice and support. In summary, the Handbook is a comprehensive resource offering detailed explanations, technical information, and annual updates, but can be overwhelming unless practical. The Fire Alarm Signaling Systems Guide is a practical tool providing step-by-step instructions, troubleshooting tips, and real-world examples, but is less comprehensive and detailed. Additional resources include the NFPA 72 Training Manual, online webinars and seminars, and qualified fire alarm professionals. Choosing the right resource depends on your experience level and specific needs.